Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video, I will be telling you about simple settings in your phone, and when you change these settings, your phone is definitely going to run 2x, 3x faster than what it was before. No matter which kind of phone you are using, as long as you are using an Android phone, you can definitely apply these settings to make your phone run faster. So let's go to our phone screen and see how to do this. As you can see, we are on our phone screen, right? We are on our phone screen, and if we try to open any kind of app, it runs very slowly, right? If we open the Chrome app, it is opening very slowly. If we open any kind of app like the files, very slowly opening. The other apps like the Flipkart, apps is opening very slowly, right? Any kind of app I will open, it is opening very slowly, right? The Sudoku, opening very slowly. The InShots, the apps are opening very slowly, right? And you can see how slowly this phone is, running. And this makes the experience so cluttered for us because we sometimes get stressed about our phone that why it is running so slowly, right? The settings app, very easy apps are running very slowly. So what is the solution for this problem, right? And this is what I'm going to tell you in this video. So listen very carefully and do each step and see how your phone will also run very faster. So friends, what you can do is you have to open the settings app. Right, look at here, you have to open the settings app and search the settings. You have to write developer options, right? Developer options you have to search in the settings, and you can see here it is showing no results, right? And if your phone is also showing no results on searching the developer options in your settings app, then you have to do one thing. So you have to come back and you have to scroll down in your settings, and you will see in an option like you have to open the about phone options in your setting, and you have to scroll down further. You will see in an option which is named as build number. You can see the build number options here, and you have to press 6 or 7 times on this option as well, right? Like look at this, how am I doing here? Now it is finally showing that now you are a developer. Now you are a developer in this phone, right? Now again you have to come back in the settings and search for the same setting, developer option, right? Developer option you have to search, and now you can see the developer options in the settings, right? You have to open this setting, right? The developer option setting has been opened. Now you can see that you have to scroll down and you will find an option. Look at here, the window animation scale, transition animation scale, animator duration scale, right? Currently it is set at 1.5x. The three of them are set at 1.5x. It may be set at 1x or 2x or 10x. You have to change these three settings, right? You have to click on the window animation scale and now turn off the window animation scale, right? The animation of options you have to select, right? The window animation scales are now turned off, right? And now you can see the transition animation scale here. You have to click on that and set the animation transition scale to 0.5x, right? Do clearly or exactly how am I saying to you. And in the third option, right, animator duration scale, you have to turn it off also, right? So two of the options, window animation scale and animator duration scale, you have to turn off, and now you have to set transition animation scale to 0.5x. You can see here all the settings I have changed, and now you can see the results. Now am I opening the apps like Flipkart? It is opening so fast, right? If I open the Chrome app, it is opening so fast, right? And now if you open the camera app, so fast it is opening. And if I open the files app, so fast, right? You can see here, see the result. Just 3 kinds of setting I have changed in the settings of this phone, and the phone is working so fast, right? You can see here, you can see the difference. The Play Store I am opening, it is opening so fast, right? The Phones app, it is opening so fast, right? The Notes app opening so fast. So you can immediately see the results by changing these 3 settings in the developer options. When I change the developer options, everything changed in the phone. The calendar I'm opening, it is opening so fast, right? The calculator opening so fast. You can see the difference, right? The open camera opening so fast. So this was the setting which I wanted to tell you. So immediately change these settings in the developer options and see the result, right? Friends, the processor of your phone also matters in how much faster your phone runs. But nevertheless, you can definitely make your phone run faster by applying these settings. So this is all which I wanted to tell you in this video. So immediately apply these settings and have fun. Friends, if you find the video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.